start with a puddle pour.
Use just a pop of pink in a puddle pour. It will brighten the brown without getting lost in the mix.
Orange is naturally bold, so use it as an accent or give it room to stretch.
This is a 8x10 canvas, so we don't need a whole lot of paint. And if you are painting on a budget, it's good to, if you're concerned about wasting paint, it's good to consider the size of the canvas and use ChatGPT or something like that to you calculate how much paint you need, so you're not mixing too much paint and wasting paint because you use more than what the size of your canvas required.
When working with orange, pink, and brown, keep your colors layered instead of overmixing them.
This pour is giving warm, playful, and absolutely gorgeous.
We're going to tilt. We're going to just tilt it and see what happens.
That is how you protect those beautiful contrasts.
I like this color combination.
The pink, orange, and brown look so cute together.
Have many cells happening, but that's easily fixed with some silicone oil if you wanted more cells in this piece. But considering this is 59-cent and 49-cent paint, I think it looks nice.
This painting has energy. It feels bold without becoming chaotic.
So we'll see what happens after it dries.
Now this is what I call an earthy masterpiece.
Try this color combo and see the magic for yourself. Happy pouring!